First, lay your sheet out onto your workbench or trestles. Then grab your top sliding rail, bottom channel, and your door jamb. Fit the bottom channel and sliding rail over the wall sheets. The end of the channel should fit up against the ends of the corner sheet. Attach the top sliding rail and bottom channel by fastening a 10x16 screw through the third pilot hole on the bottom channel. Then make sure the corner hole of the bottom channel lines up with the holes to the outer door jamb, and fasten with another 10x16 screw. Grab your door shroud and use this to measure the correct distance between the outer and inner door jamb. After getting the correct distance, screw in the door jamb to the bottom channel and remove the door shroud. Now go back and grab your top sliding rail and door jamb and then fasten them together using 10x16 screws. To make sure that you get the sheet in line with the door jamb, pull the sheet over. Hold it all in place and grab your drill and fasten with a 10x16 screw so it lines up with the flute.